Welcome back to another video. My name is Michael. So I believe I found the best video lights for content creators and YouTubers for under $80 or $50. If you want to learn a little bit more about these lights, don't change the channel and stay here with me. Alright guys, so we are back, but before moving on, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I would like to welcome you. If you like the content I'm producing, welcome, make sure to subscribe. And also, if you can do me a favor, if you like this video, if you can hit that like button, it helps me a lot. Alright, so moving on. So like I mentioned before, I believe I found the best video light kits for content creators and YouTubers. I'm currently using it right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get to the point of this video and I'm gonna go ahead and show you my setup and show you what I got and what is included, and also a link to Amazon. So if you guys are interested and you would like to order these lights at no additional cost, you can use this link, and hey, it helps me out a little bit on the channel and I appreciate that. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right guys, so check out the video light kit. So basically it includes 2 LED lights, it includes 2 Optigum softboxes, it includes 2 tripods, it includes 2 remote controls, it also includes 2 sandbags, the sand is not included, and also a backpack that you can store everything in one place. So if you're looking for something that you can travel with it, this is it right here. So all this for under $80. Now there's another version where you can just get one light for under $50, and I will share that in a minute. But what I want to do now is I want to get you a little closer. I want to show you really quick my setup, and also I'm going to show you inside the softbox so you can see the light bulb that they're using. Okay. All right, so here we go. All right guys, so here is my setup from my point of view. So right here I have my key light and my fill-in light. I did change the temperature a little bit. This one is warmer and this one is a little bit cooler. All right, and then you can see it comes with 2 tripods. All right guys, so here's one of the soft boxes. So basically this is the one I use for fill-in. They're both identical. So really quick, let me show you how. Basically right here you got your knobs, so that way you can adjust this to a stand, and this knob, with this one you can control basically the angle of your light. Okay, and right here is the switch where you turn it on and off, and here's the tripod. The tripod is actually pretty sturdy, not bad at all, actually really nice. All right, and here's a soft box. This is an Optigum, and the diffuser is really easy to remove. And here's the light bulb. There it is. Also, these are umbrella reflectors, so basically they will fold down, which is really nice. And this is how you can put them and store them in your bag. Really nice. All right, and the remote control, like I mentioned before, it includes 2 remote controls. Here's one of them. As you can see, you got some really cool features to control: temperature, brightness. You got memories, brightness, 20, 50, 100, and then you have color temperature that you can change. This is basically where you can change it manually. Sandbag included. So I believe it includes 2 of them, if I'm not mistaken. 2 of these, and the backpack where you can store pretty much your light, which I'm a big fan of these light kits that include the backpack. Makes it so much easier to store them. All right guys, so here's a little bit more information about these lights. So these lights are by the company SkyTech Store, and I found these on Amazon. They have several options available. This kit is actually regular price $95.99, but right now they have a 15% discount, and you can get it now for $81.59. And they have several options available. So if you don't think you need two lights, let's say you only go with one light. If you go with one light, this is what you're gonna get. Basically just one light setup. This is what it's gonna look like. You can get it for that one is the one softbox, and this one is under 50, so it's basically $15.99. It pretty much includes everything, except it's not an octagon. The softbox is more of a rectangle. That will also work perfectly. Again, if you get the two lights, then you can use it, the second light, as a fill-in light, or if you got a bigger space like that I do, you can actually use it as a edge or hair light. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this one back on, and here we go. So basically this is the setup right here with two lights. All right, so a little bit of information about these lights. Each of these light bulbs are 135 watts. You can control the temperature range from all the way to what I have here. It's 2700 all the way to 6400 Kelvin. And the octagons, these are a 20-inch diameter. If you guys were to only buy the one light kit, let me show you something really quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off this fill-in light. So now it's off. So now I'm using just one light. Now you can use a whiteboard or a reflector to kind of do the same thing as my fill-in light. So I got this whiteboard here, and on the other side basically I put a reflected metallic board as well. You can use aluminum foil if you want to, but I want to show you how this does basically the same thing as my fill light. So take a look at this. All right, so here we are, pretty dark, right, on that side, and here we go. See that? Here's off, here's on, here's off, and here's on. Let's try the other side. Here's off, here's on, here's off, and here's on. So anyways, just wanted to give you guys that tip. So basically all you have to do is you have to figure out how to get it close enough where it'll bounce from your key light and away from the shot, so that way you don't see it, unless you don't mind people see your tricks in your bouncer and all that. All right, so if you're interested in using this light, I'm gonna leave in the link in the description at no additional cost to you. You can use that link. It actually helps me a little bit here on the channel, but it makes a big difference. So in advance, I want to say thank you for your support. All right, so you got your key light and you got your fill-in light. So I think this is a really good starting point, but you don't want to stop there. In the long term, or maybe the short term, you want to get creative, and maybe you can add some additional lights so you can make everything a little bit more interesting. So now what I want to do is I want to add a light on the backgrounds to use as an edge light, just to basically separate myself from the background and also make it a little bit interesting. So let's take a look. All right guys, so as you can see, I got a little bit creative, so I added my GVM Pro bar light here. And I'm using this one first of all to create that really cool edge light to separate myself from the background. And not only that, I like it in the background. It kind of looks cool to have it. So don't stop there. This is just a starting point, and from there you can continue to buy more lights and get really creative on your background. But that's gonna be for another video. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested, make sure to watch the next video somewhere right here. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.